My name is Evangeline Cornerstone Purcell, and I'm gonna do a song that's called Jesus Take the Wheel by Carrie Underwood. She was riding last Friday on the way to Cincinnati on a snow-white Christmas Eve. Yeah. She's going home with her mama and her daddy with the baby in the backseat. 50 miles ago, she was running low and bathed in gasoline. It's been a long, hot year. She had a lot on her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew, she was standing on some black sheet of glass. She saw both the lights flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She threw her hands up in the air. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hand, 'cause I can do this on my own. I'm ready to go, so give me one more chance to save me from this world I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. It was still getting cold when she made it to the shoulder and the car came to a stop. She cried when she saw that baby in the backseat, sleeping like a rock. For the first time in a long time, she bowed her head to pray. She said, I'm sorry for the way I've been living my life. I know I got to change. So from now on tonight, Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hand, 'cause I can do this on my own. I'm ready to go, so give me one more chance, and save me from this world I'm on. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, take it from me. Holy Ghost, give me one more chance to save me from this world.